Welcome back to our retaining wall project in Duxbury, Massachusetts. We're here to explore the final step in the 6-step process of building retaining walls: finish coping and finish grading. Our wall is now built and ready for the coping and final grade finishing touches. This is the opportunity to inspect your wall and make any necessary adjustments. Check to make sure alignment and level are good on the face and each course top to bottom. Also check for any damaged or off-color blocks. This is critical now, as it is much easier to make changes before installing and adhering your coping. Now, wall copings come in a variety of shapes, textures, and styles, but the principle of installation is still the same. Dry fitting and making cuts for the entire wall before applying adhesive is critical. Now, similar to installing wall block, care should be taken to achieve a level coping surface. A level and string line will ensure coping is flat and straight throughout the entire wall. Another consideration is walls with exposed ends, such as 90-degree outside corners, freestanding seat walls, or step-down walls. If your coping does not come pre-finished to create a consistent look on all sides, a closed-end coping unit can be used to modify and ensure a consistent finish to the top of the wall. Again, clean the top of the wall with a small hand brush or leaf blower to ensure the coping is flush. Once this is done, concrete adhesive or mortar can be used to adhere the coping to the wall. A quick tip when using adhesive is to be aware that water may pass through the area where the coping meets the wall block. Apply adhesive in front to back beads as opposed to left to right solid lines, allowing moisture to flow through and not be trapped. This is critical when freezing occurs and could potentially expand and loosen the coping. Now, regardless what goes behind and above the wall, care should be taken to divert water away from the project. The same goes for the bottom of the wall. Any water collecting at the top or base of the project could undermine the wall and cause failure. So you now have a completed wall project that will stand the test of time. Thanks for joining us on the job site. We hope you gained some helpful insight in coping and finishing a retaining wall.